What I want to talk to you about today is this awesome piece of gear we picked up for the shoot we're doing called the Same Top Flex Clamp. It is awesome. Good for sound?
I'm tripping out 'cause I shut the lights up.
Now first off, I want to apologize about all the noise because we are shooting on location today, but I wanted to give you kind of a behind the scenes look of what this clamp is. We bought this to attach to our GoPro so we could attach it to things like a garbage truck driving through the city. We put it on a skid loader inside the building, and my personal favorite, we did this with it.
Work hard to be the best. I'm up now, I don't care who's next. I'm the greatest alive. You see the look in my eyes. I got the will to win with the hunger and drive. I'm legendary, ahead of my class. #1 in the world, a real class act. Do the math, add the numbers up. Never second to none or a runner up. Nah.
So I was very hesitant about this. I wasn't sure if it would stay up to the rigorous amount of vibration and pretty much driving on a car through a city for like 20 minutes. I was very hesitant to leave my gear on the side of a car like this, but it stood up. It was amazing. It was sturdy and it got us some really cool footage. But on top of that, we were able to get some awesome footage in other locations. Good for sound. Plane? Where's Cameron Mitchell when you need him?
The President of the United States is negotiating, as I speak, with the Prime Minister of Israel. Damned airplanes.
So I was very hesitant to put this clamp and my GoPro on this kind of gear, but it was amazing. Not only did the clamp not fall off, but it didn't slip, and then the arm, the bendable arm, didn't move. It didn't sway, it didn't twitch, it didn't change the position from what I put it on to begin with. I'm absolutely in love with the durability of this clamp arm. I'm in love with the build of it. I'm in love with the price tag. I'm in love with the footage that we got from it. It was a solid win in my book. I'm putting the link to this clamp arm in the description below, so make sure you check that out. There was a bunch of stuff I bought this summer for this gig, and this was probably in my top 5 favorite things that I bought. It was amazing, and now I'm looking everywhere to try to figure out what other kind of cool shots I can get with this thing. All right, guys, I've been Jason from EO7 Media. Be better and do something awesome today.